Hey guys, and welcome back to Kids View Toys. Today we're looking at this fresh veggie set, and this is from Just Like Home. And in here we have 10 veggies that you can slice and play with. In addition to that, we have the crate and a knife. Here are some other sets you can buy. You can buy pots and pans, some cupcakes, some other vegetables, a tea set, more pots and pans, a cake, pizza. It looks like some fruits too. Okay, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so here we have our plastic veggie crate. It says Just Like Home on the side. Okay, there's our crate. Here are all of our vegetables. And it comes with a small plastic knife to cut the veggies. We have some broccoli. We have a mushroom. We have a carrot. We have corn. Here is some eggplant. This is a cucumber. We have an onion. It looks like we have two different kinds of onion. We have a tomato. And lastly, we have a potato. Okay, so let's put these aside so we can start cutting them all. Okay, so first out of the basket, onion. There we have it. There's our onion. Next we have our carrot. There's our carrot. Mushroom. Here's our mushroom. Broccoli. Broccoli. Cucumber. Cucumber. Potato. Potato. Corn. There's the corn. Our other onion. Onion. Eggplant. And there's our eggplant. And lastly, we have a tomato. Tomato. You guys want to do that one more time? Let's put them all back together. We have a purple onion. yellow onion, yellow corn, orange carrot, green broccoli, purple eggplant, green cucumber, red tomato, brown potato, and we have white or brown mushrooms. Let's cut them one more time. We have a red tomato, red tomato, yellow onion, yellow onion, green cucumber, green cucumber, orange carrot, orange carrot, here's a white or brown mushroom, white or brown mushroom, purple eggplant, purple eggplant, green broccoli, green broccoli, brown potato. Here we have our brown potato. Here's our purple onion. Purple onion. And lastly, we have our yellow corn. Here's our yellow corn. Yeah, I hope you guys liked our video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.